Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to cover a very important topic that is reported by many of our users, that even when mobile data is on, internet is not working. See, no signal, no data transfer signal is coming here. We can confirm it by searching any words here and see network is not working. So even when mobile data is on, the internet is not working. So I'm going to tell you some 3-4 checks by which you can solve this problem. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just go to the setting, go to the connections, and here go to the data uses, and data saver mode should be off. Okay, mobile data is on, but it should be on. Please check for that. I have shown from here also it is on. And now just go back and go to mobile networks, and here data roaming. If you are in a zone which is not your home zone, then this should be on, otherwise your internet will not work. This should be checked. The network mode should be correct. Means see here 4G, 2G, 3G, that and data transfer signals, arrows key, it is not coming, means that internet is not working. So now we will go to the data users again, and here we will go mobile data users, and it will tell how which app has been used, how much data. This is not our relevant things. And we will go billing cycle and data warning. This is in Samsung mobile, and this is the main cause. Here by mistake or knowingly you have set it a limit, and that's why it, suppose I'm setting switching it off, tapping it off, data warning, and here see the data limit is 2 MB, and I am switching it off too. And as soon as I have switched off, this signal has come. I mean, now see this is coming, 4G and data transfer, everything is coming. And now we can confirm it from here also. Just go and see hi, and here see now internet is working. So in this mobile it was the problem, and by putting it off we can resume internet in this mobile. So apart from that, suppose it is working now, but if it is not working, then what you need to do again, then you can go to the general management and then reset, and from here you have to reset network setting. Only Wi-Fi passwords will be lost, and after that your problem may get solved. So, and one more thing you can do, going to the developer option, developer mode, how it has to be activated. I have made a separate video. So just go, and here one mobile data always active. Always keep mobile data active even when Wi-Fi is active. So if Wi-Fi is getting weaker, then mobile data will take over from Wi-Fi, and your internet will work always. So these are 4-5 things which I wanted to tell you. I have showed you the practical way. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.